12-volt car refrigerator. This 48-quart Wi-Fi portable refrigerator is a freezer with the dual zone that has freeze control. This makes it such a great quality because this has the ability for an LED lighting or display. So you have the ability to touch tone whichever one you want. This includes a freeze quality as well as a lock zone, as well as a power on and off. This gives you also the ability for an electric cooler and as well as a compressor cooler with a cutting board. So as you can see, it's super easy to hold up. You can put, there's two different compartments. You can put different things, whether it's fruit and food and then drinks. But you slightly pull this out and you have the ability to use a cutting board that is super easy to use. It's so neat how this works because it's so easy to use, really portable, and it's super light too, so you can practically take this anywhere. Especially with the app, you have the ability to use Wi-Fi and take this anywhere in the car, which is great and just perfect for something that you need on the go.